In this video, we're going to look at the causative form. We're going to look at the meaning, structure, and some examples. If you're interested in improving your English speaking skills and generally brushing up on your English, then this is the channel for you. Let's start off by looking at the verbs used with the causative form. We have let, make, have, and get. Now, the general meaning of the causative form, we use it when we want to get somebody to do something for us, usually a professional. The structure, the general structure is have something done. Let's look at an example. I have my hair cut once a month. Okay, I can't do it myself, so I get a professional to cut my hair, a hairdresser or a barber. Now, some other forms of the causative are with the verbs that I mentioned before. So there's let somebody do something. Let's look at an example. Let Harry let me drive his car, his new car. So it's when somebody allows you to do something. Okay. Then we have make somebody do something. This is when somebody forces you without violence to do something. So an example is, my parents made me clean my room. Another example is with have. Now, this time have has a different structure. Have somebody do something. My manager had me send out 100 emails. So he asked me to do it, and I had to do it, of course. Then we have get. In this case, we have a different structure. We have the full infinitive. Let's take a look. Get somebody to do something. So we need the to in front of the infinitive. The preposition to in front of the infinitive. An example. The student got the teacher to leave the class. So let's recap. Let's look at them from the beginning. All the forms. I have my hair cut once a month. I have my hair cut once a month is causative form, and its structure is subject plus have plus object plus the past participle. Now, we see here there are two verbs. The tense of the sentence can be found in the verb have. The past participle, the word cut in this case, is always in the past participle. It's part of the structure. It doesn't show the tense. So if we were to say that something is happening now, like in the present continuous, we would say, I am having my hair cut at the moment. So I am having would be present continuous, so that would be the tense of the sentence. Now, with let, Harry let me drive his car. So he allowed me to do this. He let me drive. Drive is always in the bare infinitive, like it's a verb without to. This is also the case with made. My parents made me clean my room, bare infinitive. Also, my manager had me send out 100 emails. However, in the last sentence, with the verb got, the student got the teacher to leave the class. So here we need the full infinitive. Check out the video that is recommended to you on the screen.